5 best methods to rename any file. First method. Right-click on any file or icon. Then click on Rename option. Now, type new file name. Then press Enter key. Second method. Select any file or icon. Then press F2 key. Then type new file name. Then press Enter key. Third method. Select any file/icon. Press Application key. Then press M key. Now, type new file name. Then press Enter key. Fourth method. In any Drive/File Explorer, select any file or icon. Click on Rename tab option. Now, type new file name. Then press Enter key. Fifth method. Open Command Prompt. Then type drive location of file/icon. Then type dir command. Then type rin space old file name space new file name. Then press Enter key.